Digital Marketing Course. Hello and welcome to the first lesson of our online digital marketing course. In this lesson, we will be discussing what digital marketing is and how it is different from traditional marketing. So, what is digital marketing? Simply put, digital marketing is the use of digital channels and tactics to promote products or services. This includes things like social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click advertising. Now, how is digital marketing different from traditional marketing? One key difference is that traditional marketing typically involves using offline channels, such as print, television, and radio advertising, to reach customers. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is all about using online channels to connect with customers. Another difference is that digital marketing is more measurable and data-driven than traditional marketing. With digital marketing, it is easier to track the effectiveness of campaigns and make data-driven decisions. This is because digital marketing often involves the use of tools like Google Analytics, which can provide detailed information on how users are interacting with a website or app. In addition, digital marketing is more interactive and personalized than traditional marketing. With digital marketing, it is possible to target specific audiences and customize messaging based on their interests and behaviors. So, to summarize, digital marketing is a form of marketing that involves the use of online channels to promote products or services, and it is different from traditional marketing in that it is more measurable, data-driven, and interactive.